Biodiversity is studied by photographing and identifying species to determine the variety of life in an ecosystem. The Neighborhood Science Kit includes a variety of tools that allow us to take the best quality photos possible. Reliable observations that can be used as data by scientists include both high-quality photos of the species and the GPS coordinates of the location that the photo was taken. Binoculars are a good first tool for spotting species in nature. It is important to know how to use binoculars correctly to achieve a clear, in-focus view at a distance. This is done by using the focus wheel in the center of the binoculars and the diopter ring around the eyepiece. Rotate these adjustments back and forth until your view through the lenses is in focus. The kit comes with two smartphone camera attachments, a macro lens and a telephoto lens. These lenses attach using a spring clip that fits around the camera of your phone. A telephoto lens allows you to photograph species from a far distance in high detail. A macro lens allows you to photograph objects very close up. The kit also includes a binocular smartphone mount to combine your long-distance viewing with the ability to capture photos and video. The observations we capture will be shared with the scientific community through the smartphone app, iNaturalist. Before heading outside, make sure you have installed the app and have created an account.
Okay, so you've installed the iNaturalist app and created an account. Time to get outside and record your first observation. Here's how to do it. Any living thing, like a plant, animal, or fungus, can be an observation on iNaturalist. Once you find something you'd like to record, just tap Observe and take a photo. You can review your picture, then hit Next if it looks good. To identify it, hit What did you see? If you have an internet connection, iNaturalist will suggest 10 visually similar species and often a common ancestor. You can choose one of those or search for a species name. On this observation details screen, you can add more photos of the same organism or write a note. The date, time, and location have been automatically added. You can also change the geoprivacy of the observation, mark whether it's captive or cultivated, or add it to a project. Once you're finished, just hit Share and your observation will be uploaded for everyone to see and identify. That's it. Keep on exploring and sharing.